Hello, it's Aoki today. I'm going to show you how to properly use a manual breast pump for milk expression. It's a simple and convenient tool for breastfeeding moms, especially when you need to express milk quickly and without hassle. Let's get started. Here's the breast pump. As you can see, it has an easy-to-use handle for pumping and a wide flange that fits snugly against the breast. The milk container is detachable, making storage super easy. It's made of safe plastic and can be sterilized after each use. Now let's see how to use it. I'll apply the flange to my breast, making sure it covers the nipple completely. Then I gently press the handle to create a smooth pumping motion. You'll notice milk starts flowing into the container. It's important to take your time and let the milk flow naturally. Pumping should feel comfortable and painless. As you can see, the breast pump works quietly and efficiently, allowing me to express just the right amount of milk in a short time. And here's the result. The container is already partially filled with milk now. I can either feed my baby directly or transfer the milk into a sterile container for storage. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this video helps you with using the breast pump. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more.
दोनों करेंगे। तो देख लिया अगर चाहे कुछ आज ही है प्रो में मगर यार स्कूल में जा पढ़ावे यार बहुत दिमाग ना खराब भाई सही ठीक बता आज ही और का रूम अपन ले लिया कहीं तारा घर के रह दिहन जा आगे हमरा पढ़ाई की बात कर रहा है सैलरी कहनी है तो कहता हूँ कि जितना लोग देते हैं उससे हम आपको बढ़ा के ही देंगे, हम कम नहीं देंगे। कहिए कि जब फिर प्रिंसिपल किसको मतलब बनाएंगे तो कहा था कि वो तो अपने ऊपर है ना। अगर कोई अच्छा लोग मिल जाए तो प्रिंसिपल बना देंगे तो उनको ज़्यादा पैसा मिलेगा, जो मतलब पूरे स्कूल को संभाल सके। प्राइवेट है